I'm so excited to tell you about the very first night of our theme for Pathfinders this year and what we did. Keep watching. Hi everyone, this is Audra with Pathfinder Strong, and if you've watched my channel for any period of time, you know that I do a theme with my club every year. And our theme this year is called Start Up, and it's all about Christian business, Christian sales, and entrepreneurship. In fact, here is our logo for this year, Start Up, in our verse, Joshua 1:9. Everything we do this year will be focused on this. All right, so we have this big mobile whiteboard, and every night I post what our schedule is going to be. Tonight we did two things. We had our church treasurer come and we did an interview, and I'll show you some video clip of that. And then we're also doing these stations around this book called Building Wealth.
How's everybody doing this evening?
Well, as church treasurer,
What are my duties? So, as the church treasurer, I'm a part of the process where we collect and record every donation that comes to the church, according to the church board, all of our financial activities, so everything that comes in, everything that goes out. I pay our church's bills. Well, I don't personally pay them. I write the checks based on the financial resources that our members provide.
So like when people give offerings at church, what do you specifically do with it? What's the procedure for handling it? Where does it go? And what do you everything?
Okay, so it's not all done by me, so I'll keep it really high, very high level. So what maybe not the majority because of COVID, but we'll talk about the process that happens at church that many people are familiar with. So the deacons stand up and they start collecting in the offering plate.
Each of you have probably done that at one point in time over the last year.
Yeah, you guys have performed that function. And we count what has been collected. In particular, we're counting the loose money. And that goes to the combined budget or the church budget.
I got these books for free from the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. You too can go to the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas.com or something like that. Order your own set of these free great books. Also, I will send you my plan. I created 8 stations or 8 learning stations to go with this book. I will happily send them to you for free. So you can do this with your kids too. So something I did this year, side note, is we have a lot more kids than usual this year. So I put all the kids on a little piece of paper and I laminated it and put a magnet on the back. And this helps me easily arrange people in groups without getting anyone left out and making sure there's an adult in each group. Okay, so my groups are going to be doing these stations, and let me show you a little bit what that looks like. Okay, so all around the room I have these stations set up. This happens to be station 1, and it's a game called The Typical Millionaire, and it's a true or false game. And there's stations like this, 8 others around the room. I also created this checklist so the kids know which stations they've been to. They know what to do at each station. And then behind the checklist is the worksheets or documents or game boards that they're going to be using for each of the activities at the different stations. Where did I get this stuff? It all came with this book for free from the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. In fact, you can also go online, you don't even have to order this, and you can get the online version that's interactive of this book from the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas and all these sheets that I have in my station packet. And once again, if you comment on this video, I'll give it all to you for free. So like I said, I put stations all over everywhere. This is another one that I put up on a bulletin board in the hallway of our church. So it's just kind of a fun activity. Like I said, if you're interested in this activity, just let me know and I'll be happy to share with you. I love sharing. If you've ever done anything like this or you know of any resources for entrepreneurship for kids, please share that so we can learn from each other. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and keep watching to see more of what we do with our startup theme this year. See you next time.